Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to move a domain from Squarespace to Godaddy. Transferring your domain lets us manage it with a different registrar while keeping the website live. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Godaddy.com. Once you're on Godaddy.com, log into your account. Next, open another tab and go to Squarespace.com. Then log into your account. After logging in, let's go to the mini profile. Click on Account Dashboard. Now go to your website. Move your cursor to the lower left part of the page, where you see the gear button or settings. Click on this. Next, go to Domains and Emails, since we are transferring domains from Squarespace to Godaddy. Here, you will see the domains. Click on this. Select Use a domain I own. This lets the website be transferred to another domain. You can type in your domain, for example, a domain you have in Godaddy. Once you click on the domain, you can transfer the domain or click on domain. In these options, you will get an authentication code. Once you have this authentication code, go to Godaddy for verification. To do that, go to the upper right corner and click on your name. Once there, choose the Swiss Online option. Let's manage this. Now, go to DNS. Once you are in DNS management, scroll down and click to add a new record. Choose the option to add a new surname. Enter the required information. Use I for the host and for the value, type squarespace.com. Just to verify, keep and add more records as needed. Save all records when finished. When you are done, it will be connected. Let's save this. Now, let's wait for 30 to 40 minutes. We also need to add another record for the IP of Squarespace. We have this IP. When we are done, click Save. Once saved, it will update the list. It can take up to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. That is how we transfer a domain from Squarespace to Godaddy.